Alright guys, what is up? Thank you very much for joining me in this video. I am sorry if I sound a little weird. My throat is a little messed up. I have COVID again. This is the second time. But no complaints, because since 2020, to go twice only through COVID, that's not bad, I think. There's people who have worse things. So no complaints. But yeah, so guys, I wanted to make this video because there is something very important. The market's going down and things are really bad and so on, but there's obviously always opportunities. There was a video that I had made, which you can see here on the screen. It says that the title says the $5 stock with $6,381 price target. Obviously, it's never going to go to $6,000, but that's what they had as a price target. Sometimes I don't even know how they come up with these price targets. Maybe it's a glitch, I don't know. But analysts love this company, right? So that was the video. The stock was at $5.81. It had taken a huge hit when after I had made my before I had made my video, right? So before I made the video. So after the huge hit, I make the video. In fact, I made the video while the stock was pretty much still headed downwards, and I had said that this stock for me was a buy. Kind of risky, I guess you can say, because Mike, everything's pointing to this thing going down. But it's one of those things that proves that don't invest according to a chart. There's always a time, if it's a good stock, if there's something good going on, there's always a time in place where at some point it goes up, right? So it was 581 and the stock is now 851. Amazing, right? Amazing gain. Huge insane gain. And that was all through within this year. And so it's at 851 now. What's the point of making this video? They still have everything that I had talked about in my previous video, which I won't talk about it in detail in this one. You can watch the previous one, such as the catalysts that are ahead for this stock. They're still there. We haven't gotten to the catalyst yet. So, and the stock was actually, it took a hit for, I don't know, in my opinion, almost a dumb reason, but I guess you can say it was a blessing. Sometimes, some stocks, not all that take hits, those are blessings for retails. So let's look at this real quick. Like I said, the catalysts haven't come yet. It has gone up already $3 a share. It's pretty awesome. Where can this go? So the company has shown good data, and yet it fell. This year it showed good data on its trials, and yet it fell. I say for no reason whatsoever. It has a decent cash runway, and it still has those catalysts coming up. If we look at the pipeline, and by the way, in my opinion, if you think about it, look at the vaccines that are coming out now. All the vaccines are pretty much being pushed to be the mRNA technology. So if you can get a pharmaceutical company working on mRNA drugs and they've got something good going, probably chances are it's going to work out, probably. So they have their mRNA gold pipeline targets. This is their pipeline. One is in phase 2. Now we've got catalysts coming up for this one. We got about 3 major catalysts coming up. So there's a lot of things going on here for this company. They have really good partnerships, really good established companies that partner with them. Some of these companies have already paid this company. They have already paid SLN Therapeutics good amount of money, so that's a very positive sign that they like what SLN Therapeutics is working on. AstraZeneca, Hansoh Pharmaceuticals, Mallinckrodt. So some past news: on May 8th, SLN Therapeutics overweight at Morgan Stanley on RNA platform. SLN Therapeutics receives $10 million milestone payment from AstraZeneca collaboration, and SLN Therapeutics to receive another $4 million payment from Hansoh Pharma collaboration. That was back on July 11 of 2023. What's interesting about this is that Hansoh has made a total of $16 million upfront payment to SLN Therapeutics, and SLN Therapeutics can receive in the future up to $1.3 billion in development, regulatory, and commercial milestones. In my opinion, Hansoh wouldn't have given $16 million already upfront if they thought that SLN Therapeutics drug isn't worth it. The data has been really good. So last time, what happened? There was a phase 1 data, which was positive. The company said it was a positive phase 1 data, and it was on cardiovascular disease trial. So the data is they said from healthy volunteers, and but with high lipoprotein SLN 360, as well as other gene silencing molecules, and used small interfering RNAs to silence messenger RNAs from producing specific pathogenic proteins. And they said that their drug was successful at silencing those specific mRNAs, so that those specific mRNAs don't produce those pathogenic proteins, right? So I thought that was good, but it still went downwards, which then after it went downwards came my turn, and I had made that video at $5. In the trial, after just a single dose, 98% of was observed, and the treatment effect lasted for 5 months. So that was good. But they found some issues, and that's why the stock went down, right? That there is no clear indication that lowering LPA has CV benefits, they said, the analysts. And also that there is no clear indication that lowering LPA more than 70% was had additional CV benefits. But in my personal opinion, and I'm not a super genius pharmaceutical research person, I think that there was an overreaction. Maybe it was the market conditions at the time. I don't know. I don't remember exactly what the market conditions were then. But the stock has been gaining a lot of momentum. It has gone up a lot from 5 something now to 851. And they still have major catalysts, more data readouts coming out. Obviously, the partnerships are really robust. They're getting paid from AstraZeneca already. They got paid from Hansa Pharmaceuticals. I think that in the end, this could be a really big stock in the future. I think that with FDA approvals, they're really going to go much higher. I think that they've got a pipeline that really works. They got a pipeline that shows that they've got really good things going on. I like that mRNA technology that they have, and they're able to silence specific mRNAs from producing specific things, and they have proven that it can work. So I'm not saying that people should jump into this and buy it, because obviously the market is, I don't even want to say what the market is. Off camera, I could say a lot of words about what the market conditions are right now and how it behaves. But it's a very strange market, right? So, maybe put it on your watch list. Maybe do some due diligence, or not, whatever. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, and thank you very much for watching this video.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.